Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll learn a new stitch called the fishbone stitch, which is mostly used for leaves and flower petals. I'll show you how to put this fishbone stitch for a leaf. I have taken 3 strands, put a knot at the end, and we'll start. Insert the needle at the tip of the leaf and pull over. Put a straight stitch in the center of the leaf like this, and then insert the needle near the tip, and now insert the needle back near the stitch, straight stitch on the other side of the leaf, and now insert the needle on the same side and come back here. Insert the needle near the first stitch on the other side of the leaf, and now on the same side insert the needle near the previous stitch, and this time you insert the needle below the previous stitch and go to the next point on the same side. Again below the previous stitch and go to the next point on the same side of the leaf. Continuously you go below the stitch and to the next point. Once again below the previous stitch, insert the needle and bring it out on the same side to the next point. Pull over once again below the previous stitch, and on the same side go to the next point on the leaf outline. Same way you continue the stitches on both the sides. This is a very pretty stitch which you can use for the leaves and flower petals to fill in the gaps in your pattern. I hope the stitch is clear for you now. And this stitch is called fishbone stitch. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. I have posted many videos for all the other stitches, and I have given the links in the description. If you wish to learn the other stitches, go to the links in the description. Same way you continue till the base of the leaf. You will get cross stitches like this on both the sides of the leaves. And finally, when you come to the end of the stitch, you can put few single stitches on both the sides of the leaves. And now you can fill the gaps like this on both the sides with a few straight stitches. Just insert the needle and fill the space in the leaves. So that your leaf pattern will be completed. And if you like this video, click the like button and share with your friends. See, we have finished the leaf with fishbone stitch. And this is the back view of the stitch. You can see a space in the middle. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.